अमेरिका बेमाने मुज़ाकरात। अमेरिका बेमाने लाहासिल बेमाने मुज़ाकरात। तुर्किया बहरिया माने अमेरिका मुज़ाकरात। मसला ईरान तकाज़ाए बात। मसला ईरान तकाज़ाए बात। I firstly salam assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. अमेरिका बेमाने मुज़ाकरात। अमेरिका बेमाने मुज़ाकरात। तुर्किया सरहद पर हुई बातचीत लाजवाब। I अमेरिकन बेमुज़ाकरात। I they human extraterritorial or imposing penalties restrictions of official dialogue. I American embassy. I American embassy. A specific judgment breaks for defensible nations. Embassy is a specific judgment. American embassy is a specific judgment. Brigadol. I for defensible nations of countries yearly of 2026. This is a sentiment. This is a sentiment for regional tensions involving the US, Iran and Bahrain for alongside their paternal neighbors. I paternal lobes, I Gulf countries. I Tabish Irshad Zarkov. On East situation sad with tragic escalating tensions of Kashmiri migrant workers for studies and students in a young man forum from Jammu and Kashmir UT for Union Territory for Development. I paternal Moje Kashmir development, but the sufferer faced difficulties became of peaceful or neither or peaceful difficulty in nations or their troubled situation them from term of Safaratkari. I Safaratkari from diplomacy. I Safaratkari from diplomacy and managing international tensions on global platforms is calling for carriers diplomacy or multilateral diplomacy. I Tabish Irshad said you can call this is a decline in tourism due to political tension and Iran-Russia tourism. Iran tourism upset for some caused by conflict. Government for 4 or 5 days visit Ambassador Gore in meeting Chief Minister Umar Abdullah for Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory Gupkar resident. Gupkar resident policy of political unity for he ran for Moje Kashmir in these United Ministry as for OIC, namely Organization of Islamic Cooperation or Turkey, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan call appoint will Mr. India Jammu and Kashmir UT. I Jammu and Kashmir UT call appoint will Mr. India Jammu and Kashmir UT call appoint will Union Territory. Union Territory. I history these a mass of dust or sand rising into the for global climate diseases or just dust for a storm and a giant wall of dust is often called a hubbub. I affect health, human health, or what I safety for measures to take during living air pollution. I tabishir Shazarkob to English as called English peaceful and stable of development drug of international Moje Kashmir for peaceful development. I economy for trade of a dispute global climate challenges. I take unity for Union Territory gives of the Union Territory gave jobs of the European United States of African countries. I fear everyone who was unemployment on the for other hand those who are currently unemployment is a depressed involvement here will be sent to the get jobs on scholarship is after the security verification done. He was sent to scholarship of Rozgare Watan. We have European Rozgare Watan. We have talked with them about getting this employment. What is this task? I Tabishir Shah Zarkob. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.